The Attack of the Stink Bugs, 2012.
See what Fox can do on this 3-2 pitch.
Already upsetting Myra.
About as exciting a foul ball as you're going to see.
Yep, bottom of the ninth, tie game, absolutely.
Apparently we no longer care about said stink bug.
Outside ball 4. And now the Pirates with 2 on.
Myra, it's still up there. You better get it. Still, oh, beep. Still up there, though. Look.
Oh, there's a bird on the porch.
Oh, there's a bird on the porch. Oh, my gosh. Where? Oh, it just flew away. Yes, we're making a video of you.
He doesn't need to hit the home run. Just a base hit now.
Oh, now the birdie's up there.
Right past one of those seagulls on the ground.
Myra is completely overwhelmed. She does not know what to do. There is a stink bug, there are people, there are cars, and there is a bird. Let's go in for commentary. What do you think, Myra?